This is a short video how to transform your wired Android Auto into a wireless one, which is very convenient, especially when you're in the city and you constantly need to get in and get out of the car. Connecting each time with the cable is very inconvenient, and of course it can damage the connector of the phone or even in the car. So yeah, what I choose was this small adapter, but of course there are many on the market that can do the job. So today I will be trying with this one how good it is. It comes with everything needed, so it's a small box like that, and then of course you have two sets of cables depending what type of USB you have in the car, either C or type A. Mine is with type A, so I'm taking a cable which is USB type A to type C, and then you connect one end of the cable, the type C, into this small adapter, and then the other one you connect it into the car USB, which is foreseen. So you see that immediately on the adapter you see this red light, which means that okay, there is a already power supply but no connection with your phone. Then okay, I will leave it here. Then on your phone you need first of course to connect to the car Bluetooth first before starting this procedure. And then once you're connected to the car Bluetooth and you connect the adapter, you will see the following message on your phone asking if you want to pair with this adapter. Let me just go again. Okay, so yeah, you see the name of the adapter. Okay, the last 3 digits and the letter are the model of the adapter, and okay, you choose the one that you already purchased. Then it gives okay if you want to pair it, pair, and then it starts automatically of a direct Wi-Fi connection between the adapter and your phone. You click connect. Okay, so now if I go to the Wi-Fi, you see here it says a Wi-Fi is connected to this adapter, and then you can see the connection, and here okay it says the type of connection and the type of security it has. So of course it is important to have the auto reconnect enabled, because then you will be able each time when you enter into the car and you start the ignition that your phone is automatically connected. So now, as you can see, you already have also the mirror link available. Of course this is no good because modern phones do not support mirror link anymore, but still you can see that the adapter is already recognized as a device. And then when you want to connect, you just press on Android Auto, and you see the color changes to blue, and then you already have the connection to your phone wirelessly in the car. What you can see as well is you have some notifications on your phone that okay, in my case the navigation is running and the Android Auto is connected. So what will be important is how fast actually these adapters reconnect when you disconnected from the car. So first of all, on the adapter you have a small button that you can use to immediately disconnect the Android Auto from your phone. So you just press on this button, and then you see immediately the Android Auto is disconnected. So now your phone is connected to the car only with the Bluetooth of the car. And let's try now how fast it will reconnect back. So you go to the connectivity, then you choose Android Auto, and you see how fast it connects. It's a matter of seconds. Now let's try another thing. Yeah, you stop the car. Of course, you need to wait some time before the supply is cut off to the adapter. So it takes, I think, something like 20-30 seconds before you try, okay, what will be the speed of reconnecting. So I will simulate going out of the car and yeah, re-entering, and let's see how fast it will it will connect, because this is also very important. So now I want to simulate how fast is this adapter is connecting to my phone when I re-enter the car. So I will really simulate as I'm out of the car and entering to the phone. So okay, I'm opening the door, closing. You see that yeah, the supply is provided to the adapter, and then okay, I'm starting the car. My phone is locked, so yeah, you see now that okay, it indicates that there is available Android Auto, wireless Android Auto. Again, the phone is not connected to any cables. And then you see here the yeah, on the menu that the Android Auto is active. So let's try connect. Okay, the first time did not connect, then okay, and now you see that it is connected already. So you see my navigation. As I already said, from here you can choose a split screen between any other application and the navigation. Pressing one more, you go to all the applications on your phone that are compatible with Android Auto. So from here you can choose, yeah, different applications. So yeah, you can choose this one. Same, different navigation, Google. And then yeah, that's it. So yeah, I really like it. As I mentioned, it is very convenient to have yeah, wireless Android Auto, so you don't need to each time plug in your phone with the cable when you enter into the car. The connection is yeah, established automatically, and as you can see, yeah, it is quite fast, so no issue from this perspective.